is up, fam? Man, long time no talk to or see or video. It's been a while. So I haven't posted anything in a while. It's just been hectic, a lot going on. Work and COVID and all that stuff. Y'all know. So the wife had a work thing up here in North Georgia. And I was like, well, you know what? I'll go. And I'll go do some riding while you do some working. And so here I is. Up over by Helen. I think I'm going to take a ride over there by Helen. Go do some routes. Give you guys some updates on what's going on. Got that moment where you don't know where you're going. So you're trusting the GPS. And it gives you a dirt road on a motorcycle. I mean, with straight tires. It's not too bad, but come on now. Is GPS really going to route you? Do you really want to be routed on a motorcycle through a dirt road, through the mountains? So now I don't know how long this dirt road is for. So hopefully it's not the entire ride. And I get on pavement soon. Oh my God. How much longer? Alright. Oh, I'm glad my suspension's set up for this. We is here in Blood Mountain, I believe, by Helen, Georgia. It's a little nipply out, so we're going to use our heated grips. Want to get it? Let's give you a little update on where we're at. So I'm trying to finish up some videos on, the bar installation. This aftermarket master cylinder. Just gonna have a video out on how to install this extra large windscreen, but it just doesn't seem like it would be that much of a install. It's really, like 8 bolts and you're done. I'd much rather review it because I've had it on for almost a year, maybe 8 months. So the stock windshield that comes is not even really a windshield. It's like way down in here. This here is an Amazon special. It's a little bit larger. This windshield looks good on the bike, but it really kind of moves the wind from hitting, your stomach, upper stomach area to your upper chest and shoulders. Oh, there's a limo. What's up, limousine? Never see a limo on the mountains, really? I mean, come on now. So it moves it from hitting you in your upper stomach and chest to really the upper chest and your shoulders. And, which is not bad. It's okay for, just doing some riding. But once you get on highway speeds, it's really not fun. Get some corner. Let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Ooh, redline it. Hard to talk while we're doing some technical riding. So, but all right. So it moves it from hitting your upper your chest area and your shoulders to really kind of hitting your outside of your arms and maybe half your helmet up. So it does a great job of removing air. Now, does it look all the greatest? Kind of makes it look a little funny, but it's the usage of it supersedes the look. But now I left this windshield on so I could add this one on top of it. So if I wanted to take it off because I wasn't going to do any highway riding, I could, and I'd still have this one on there. So take it for what you will, but a simple Simon's thumbs up as usage. Get a little knock on it for the looks of it. Hitting some wet roads here. It's never fun. And there's a little update on the windshield. The heated grips. Heated grips, these grips are great. I've had no issues with them. They've worked. They keep my hands nice and warm. I got them on level 2 right now. It's about low 60s out. So it is keeping my hands, you know, nice and warm. I could bump it to 3, get a little toastier, but all in all, actually, let's go ahead and do that. Let's bump it to 3. They've been great. Now, as you can see, I got a zip tie here on this controller. I think I over tightened the screws on the back and cracked the part that grabs onto the bar, and that's all my fault. But you know, so be careful over tightening that. My wife's has been great. It had hers also not had any issues, and hers isn't broken like mine. I might just call the manufacturer, get a new back plate, or the zip tie is working fine. Definitely a long-term should do it. The phone mount. The phone mount's been great. I haven't had any issues with it. My phone hasn't come out. I haven't done anything. It's just always kind of has been doing great. And I keep my phone charged. No dead battery issues on the bike or on the phone. No water issues. So this charger's been really great. No vibrating, no shaking. You know, when I took my bike into Mexico and I hit 120, I don't really know if it's shaking at 120, but it doesn't come off. So I don't really pay attention to the phone when I'm on the Autobahn or hitting those kind of speeds. So it's still a simple Simon's thumbs up. Now the newer version of this phone, or an optional version, is a wireless charger. So if your phone has wireless charging, you don't even need to plug it in. You just lay it in there and it charges. Actually, I got that one for my wife, and she's been loving it. But other than, depends on what kind of case you have on your phone, it may interrupt that. But this has definitely been a great thing. So I did the carbon fiber wrap. So talk about that for a second. I love the way the carbon fiber came out. It looks good. It's got a great look to it, but I am getting some bubbling in some of the harder spots that were, in some of the corners. And I know you can pop a little hole, push it down, and make it look better. So definitely gonna do that. I mean, it's great. Adds a great look to the bike. I would almost want to buy some of that painted carbon fiber, so that way I wouldn't have to worry about it. But I don't know, I mean, you can't even tell the bubbles. I mean, I'll get some shots of the bubbles so you can see them, see what they look like. But all in all, you can't really tell much with the bubbles. Is it worth it? I mean, the amount of work to do this, I would much rather just buy it. Because now on eBay you can buy the painted, or I think on Amazon also, you can buy the painted carbon fiber. That would be a lot better. Let's talk about the mirrors for a second. The mirrors have been great. No issues with the mirrors. Done quite a bit of riding with these mirrors. Again, they're just great. No vibration issues, no vibration in my hands on the bars. Now again, these are in an aftermarket bar, so you might have to do some different, use some different bolts to get these mirrors to work with the stock bar. I probably showed that in my video. But all in all, the mirrors have been great. One thing that I was gonna go back with is the stock foot pegs. So these aftermarket foot pegs that I put on here were from, I want to say a Ninja 600, a ZX6R, and gave me a little bit of leg room, not much, maybe a half inch, but you know, enough to make a difference. Well, I've noticed now that I'm getting the bike farther over and my lean angles, I've noticed I've started dragging my feet, and I got my feet up on my tippy toes, trying to keep, but you know, it's just, I got these boots on that they do have sliders on them, but you know, it's just starting to rub in corners, and I'm starting to drag my feet. So I'm thinking if I put the stock ones back on, it'll give me that little half inch of clearance. Other thing I noticed is this fairing that I put on, the front fairing, the fascia, the lower fairing. It's got a great look to it. It makes it, I feel like it completes the bike a little bit more. It looks good. I've noticed too, with leaning, I'm starting to drag it. It's starting to scrape. Whoa, whoa! Big fucking bird. Oh my god. Gonna be trying to bring a tail bag review. I got a couple tail bags I got from Amazon and Revzilla, and do some reviews on those. So hang in there with me, subscribers. Love you guys. Thanks for your support. Please leave a like and a thumbs up. I'll be bringing you some more content.